Because imported fuel tanks were too expensive, local drivers decided to build their own. Although the workspace looked ordinary, the finished tanks were both affordable and durable. Not only were they cost-effective, but they were also very popular with local drivers. With skilled teamwork, the craftsmen quickly welded all the splash guards in place. The basic structure of the fuel tank was complete, but there were still many important steps to finish the product. First, the tank was flipped over, and several holes of the right size were cut on top. These served as feeding and pressure release points. Next, the frame and steel plates were welded to the bottom, forming the base support. These are key for stable attachment to the vehicle frame and weight bearing, so the entire structure needed careful reinforcement. After all the welding was done, the craftsman used a crane to flip the tank upright. To make it easier to work on the top structure, steel plates were welded to the top sides. Then a protective railing was installed around the perimeter. Finally, the surface was coated with a neat layer of paint. This hand-built fuel tank was now complete. The process was simple, and the cost was low. So, what score would you give the craftsman for this skill?